What's going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? I won't take much of your time. As long as you are invested in the knowledge, what is important is the knowledge. Once you are knowledgeable, once you have acquired the right skill, then you are on your way to becoming a great Forex trader and so forth. Okay, so this is the trade for today, July 28th, and I made sure I put 4 buy stops. Usually with my mastermind strategy, I could put 7, 8, 10, or depending on the trade, I can put 20 even buy stops. But look, for the illustration of this, I'd put 4 buy stops for those in the VIP, and look at that, about 4,000 pips. The market is still going up, by the way. Should be about 6,000 pips right now. Let me show you. So here it is. Look at that. Look at that. That's what we're doing today. That's what we're doing today. Mastermind. The mastermind approach. So these are the 4 buy stops which I had put out for those in the signal group, and I'd already taken the trade before, and I also traded right at the top here. So I will definitely close because the market is not our friend. Let's see how. But so the market will definitely reach this high point here, but we're not going to be there to wait for it to, because we need to take what we have and go out of the market. So it's still going up there. The mastermind approach strategy is $150, which is 2,500 rand. And yeah, get in touch with us. Stay blessed.